litter of 4 Yorkiepoos. Now know that they're just 4 weeks, so they're just kind of starting to scoot around, and they might slide on the hardwood. So they're just starting to move, but there's 1 female and 3 males, and that's the female. Hi, sugar. And that's a male. And that's a male. And this is a little male right here. So the female is kind of the more blackish brown. She's right there moving towards that rope. Right there. And then the 2 black ones are males. And then that little brown one chewing on that ball right here, he's a male. Look at this. Let me get over there. Look at them between the... Oh, be careful. That's a little female right there. And that's that little male that was stuck in the chair. This is a little male. He's cute. This is a little male. Hi. There, he licked my camera. Look at his little tail. Let me go ahead and scoot you on back. See if I can. Here's a little male. Hey, can you come over here? Nope, I'm too busy. We're heading into the door jam here. I might just open the door. Hi. You scouting around? Oh, get out of the way. That hardwood's still a little slick. There's a female. There's that little black one that got stuck in the chair. That little black one, look at it. He can't get up there. Okay.